Hello, my good people. How are you? Good morning, good evening. This is Ken Uchilo, and welcome back to my channel. And today, I just want to talk to you guys about now another series of Mabati houses. And also, we are doing. I just want to enlighten you about the Mabati, because I know it is season where people. Now we are coming back home. We want to do renovations and so many things. And also there are those who are starting their projects. Maybe there's someone who want to build the house. So I want just to mention to you what to do. And I just want to give you a quick clue about the Mabatis and which Mabati you can use and which one you cannot use. Now today I just want to talk to you about the box profile Mabati. The box profile Mabati is a good Mabati, and people really are really using it. One of the reasons why people are really going for the box profile is the affordability. It's cheaper. Currently it's ranging between 1500 to 1700 in some parts of the country. So it will depend. Like I bought some very few weeks ago, and we bought them at 1500. And in another place also I went this week, and also we bought them at 1700. So it really depends with where you are. Now, the one thing that I want to also inform you about is that the Mabati house, the box profile Mabati, also depends with the kind of the roofing, the type of the roof you want to do. There are some roofs where if you are doing it, it will be very neat, clean, and very smart. And also in some designs where it will really not look nice. And you have to consult first before you buy those iron sheets, even if it's not a box profile. But you have to consult first, and you see the design you are going to use, if it will bring that look, that decent look you are looking for. Because if you just do anyhow, then you will miss it. Now the other thing also I want to inform you guys that the box profile Mabati is not also that good, because it really fades very fast. It really fades very fast. If you look around where you are, maybe you're in the up countries, just check around. You will find that those people who use the box profile, most of them, if the iron sheets have gone for maybe they are 3 years old or 2 years old, they are faded away. Most of them are faded. So when you are doing that, check on that also. Just be informed that even if it is affordable, but it will really fade, no matter the color you are using, be it red, be it gray, be it any other color. The box profile really it fades very fast. And the second thing is it's prone to leakage. It's prone to leakages, and this is because most of the fundis don't know. Some of the fundis don't know how to use that Mabati, because in all the iron sheets there are areas where you are supposed to put your nails, and some don't know. So when it's not done well, then it will leak. It will really leak. And if you want to know, just ask around. Most of the leakages, or most of the box profile Mabati always leaks a lot. So this is one of the few things that you need to know. So I just want to show you this Mabati house, which is also a box profile. Let me turn my camera, then I want to show you this. So this is a box profile. Here we were doing a Mabati house. So this Mabati house, you've seen it in my other videos, and you've seen the interior part of this house. This house, we did an amazing job. It was just a renovation, and also we did just a bit of extension. So if you want to know more about it, just go and check on that photo, not photo, sorry, on that video. I've attached it there, you'll see it. So it's also used Mabati house. We used a box profile in the lower area. This is because we wanted because the box profile is very heavy, so it can withstand the pressure, and also even if something knocks it, it will not tear up very easy. So that's why we used that box profile on the walls. On the walls, we used the box profile. If you see, check on the roof, on the top of the roofing, we just use the corrugated iron sheets, the normal iron sheet. If you check on that, like this one, yes, like that one, just a corrugated iron sheet, the normal one. So this is because we were working on a budget, and that's why we mixed it like that. So this one, we did it this way, then we painted it so that the house can be more decent, rather than just leaving it with the natural color from the company. So that's the reason why we used it. Even if it cannot, even if you knock it now with the stone, it will not tear up like others, like this ones. So my main focus is on not even on this one, but my main focus on the other Mabati you are seeing here. So this is also a box profile, and you can see this one, and you can see, I don't know when it was done this, but it was red in color, going by what I'm seeing on the ridges and the curves. It was red in color, and now if you can see, it doesn't show its color. It doesn't show whether it was red or gray or what. It has totally changed the color. And this is one case. I can attach a lot of videos that I've taken across the country as I walk by, of the box profile Mabatis, even those ones which were just done most recently. They have really faded a lot. So the reason why I'm doing this is just to alert you that if you know you are going for a budget, just go for the box profile, but know that it will fade. So just be ready to spray paint it again. Though the spray painting will cost you a lot, but also if you don't have that much money, just go with it. And secondly, the box profile Mabati, it needs to have a slope. It needs to have a very steep slope when you are doing the roofing, so that the water can move very fast. It doesn't need a lot of joint, a lot of those kind of designs, so that to avoid leakages, because at times they do leak. So you have to give it that kind of steepness, so that the water can move very fast. Yes, so those are the few reasons why we need to check on our we need to check on the whatever we are working on, because with the time it can also affect you directly or indirectly. So make sure you ask your fundi, make sure you ask your company the best Mabatis when you are using it. But I will, if someone working on a budget, I will just advise you to go for the box profile. But again, going with the box profile, just know that there's a disasters in waiting. So just start saving for the spray paint. The spray paint will help you, and also maybe you can change. You can really change the iron sheets if you have saved enough. But it can go for